Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a chit chat, get ready with me. Basically this video is just me rambling about random stuff while I do my makeup. So I really hope you guys enjoy. If you do want me to do more types of videos like this, give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. I don't know if I should use my foundation brush or my beauty blender. I don't feel like getting this wet, so we're going to use my foundation brush. First I'm going to take the Clinique Acne Solutions Liquid Makeup and a foundation brush and just, cake my face with it. Don't want to get too much foundation. I always get too much foundation and waste like a ton of it. So we're just going to try not to waste a ton of it today. Guys, it's like snowing up a storm outside and I'm kind of happy about it, but like at the same time I'm not happy about it. I don't really know what to feel right now. So yeah, fun times. Also, I'm pretty sure my camera's going to run out of memory soon, so this will be fun. My camera just ran out of memory, but we are back in business. Well, and today I used too little foundation. Go me. Today, my plans kind of got canceled, so I think I'm going to film later, which would be super fun. I don't know exactly what I'm going to film, but I'm going to try to film something later. I have like literally a whole list on my phone of like 40 something video ideas, but I feel like I cannot film any of them right now just because of I don't know, I just feel like I can't film any of them, so that's fun. I think I'm going to do like 50 facts about me, but I'm not exactly sure. We're going to film something though, that's my goal. Right now I'm getting ready to go to church, so yeah, I feel like I'm just so awkward talking in this video. Okay. I hate putting on foundation, but I don't know why I do it because I don't like it. Next, I'm taking the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Face Powder and rubbing this all over my face. You guys, I love this powder. I think I've used it since the summer. This is the only powder I've used since the summer, and I just love it so much. It's like $2-3, and it's seriously the GOAT. I love it. Next, I'm taking the e.l.f. Sunkissed Glow Bronzer. You guys, I've found so many e.l.f. products lately that I love. And it's amazing because e.l.f. is so cheap, and so you wouldn't think their products are good, but actually some of them are. Not all of them, but some of them. If you guys want me to do a whole video on e.l.f. products I actually like, let me know. But somebody barely knows how to put on bronzer, so don't come at me. I know I'm probably doing it wrong, but it's okay. My hair, it's just not parting right today, and I don't even know what's going on with it. I'm just not liking it. Okay, next I'm using the Clinique Glow Blush. Look how pretty this color is, you guys. I'm obsessed. Yesterday I liked my makeup. I did my makeup for cheer yesterday. I filmed to get ready with me, but I'm not sure if I liked it, which is why I'm filming this one today. So you'll see, I guess, which one I put up. If I put up this one or I put up yesterday's. I think I'm going to put this one up though. So far I'm liking it better. But I really liked my makeup yesterday. Next, I'm using the e.l.f. Sunkissed Glow Bronzer. This is a highlighter. I'm using the e.l.f. Moonlight Pearl Baked Highlighter, and I'm using a contouring brush for it. I know this is the wrong kind of brush to use for it, but I don't know, I like using it. And you guys, yesterday, it broke, the top half just broke off. It was like a circle. Oh no. It was like a circle, kind of like a circular top, and it just broke right off, so that's fun. But you guys, I am getting the Canon G7X Mark II super soon, so we're going to get some really cool videos coming soon. I may order it today, I don't know. I'm going to order it off of Walmart. Yeah, I'm going to order it off of Walmart because you can get a better deal. It's $100 cheaper than Best Buy. I went to go look at it in person on Best Buy on Friday, and you guys, I was in love. Love the camera so much. I can't wait to get it in my own hands. I actually bought the camera I'm filming on now at Walmart, and I don't know, if you're looking for a camera, I recommend Walmart because they have cheaper prices for the same cameras. So yeah, I feel I'm doing my makeup really fast, but I never take that long. Yesterday I curled my eyelashes for the first time in forever. And you guys, I seriously loved it so much. My eyelashes just looked so good yesterday. So now I'm going to be curling. Okay, this is just awkward. So now catch me curling my eyelashes every day. I don't know, I loved it so much. I hope this video wasn't boring. I feel like it kind of will be. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, I really do not like my hair today. Okay, now I'm using the Great Lash Mascara by Maybelline New York. I feel like this is just like a classic mascara like everyone has used sometime in their life. I like it. It's definitely not my favorite. I do want to try a new mascara because I haven't found like a mascara that I love, but I mean, I think it does the job. Don't mind my like really dirty mirror. Really dirty. Okay, we're just not gonna like we're gonna put it down here so you can't see it. Oh, I'm so excited for the camera. Last thing I do is I just put the Burt's Bees pink grapefruit chapstick on my lips. This is my favorite chapstick. I always just do like an EOS person, but I tried Burt's Bees because I was like, the EOS is just not working. And it's seriously amazing. Ew, why am I holding it like a pencil? Like I'm like holding it like I would write. I never do that. I also put this in my mouth instead of my lips. Ew. Well, that's my makeup for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys with a new video very, very soon.